Here's to all the parents looking to instill values around sustainability in their young ones. We've made a craft kit that will add eco-friendly colors to Christmas joy, letting kids make their most loved Christmas characters out of recycled paper boxes, paper cutouts, eco-friendly coloring pencils, a dab of glue, lots and lots of stickers, and hours of fun. So, how about turning a white Christmas into a green Christmas?
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Do like and share our videos, and please do subscribe to our channel for more such interesting and informative content.